In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in Tradingview. Like, I'm going to show you the step by step, so just follow along. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the top right corner and click on these settings, or you can simply just right click and click on settings. So either way, you'll go to the top right corner and click on settings. So after you click on settings, click on canvas. After you click on canvas, go to this grid lines and then select none. After that, click on background and select solid. Don't select grid line, select solid. Then after that, you can simply just change the theme to black, like the background color to black, and you can see, then press OK. If you don't like the color black, you can just come back, right click, go to settings and select and change the background color to white. Either way, the grid lines will disappear. After that, just press OK. As you can see, no more grid lines, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.